Hello, good evening, friends. Today I am going to explain an important questions based on the softness, softening of water. Okay, softening of hard water. So let us see what the question is. The method used to remove the temporary hardness of water. What are the method by which we can remove the temporary hardness of water? So Callaghan method is there. Callaghan method is used for removing the permanent hardness. Ion exchanger, permanent hardness. Synthetic resin method, they are used to remove the permanent hardness of water. So which is our correct answer? That is Clark method is used to remove temporary hardness of water. So you please keep in mind that is which method is used to remove the temporary hardness of water. Our answer will be the Clark method. And what is the Clark method that we need to understand? Clark method is used to remove the temporary hardness of water in which bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. Keep in mind, bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium are reacted with slag lime. Slag lime means calcium hydroxide to give the precipitate of calcium carbonate, okay, and magnesium hydroxide in the form of precipitate. So what we will do, we treat this is the temporary hardness. What are the temporary hardness of water? That is, if the bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium are there, the water is the temporary hardness. If you are treating with the slag lime, that is calcium hydroxide, it will give the precipitate of calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide, which will be the filtered off. And whatever the water here, remaining water, filtrate. After filtering, you will get the filtrate, and this filtrate is what the example of that is soft water. This filtrate is soft water. Okay, so now let us move for the another method by which we can remove the that is the hardness of the water. That is the second method is there. By boiling of the temporary hardness can be removed. So during boiling, the soluble magnesium bicarbonate is converted into the insoluble magnesium hydroxide, that is precipitate, and calcium bicarbonate is converted into insoluble calcium carbonate. The precipitate of magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate can be removed by filtration. The filtrate thus obtained will be the soft water. So dear friend, this is a very easy problem. What we are doing, that is if you are heating the that is the temporary hard water that is containing magnesium bicarbonate and calcium bicarbonate. When you are heating, this will convert into the magnesium hydroxide and carbon dioxide, and another is there, calcium carbonate will be converted. Okay, and when you are filtering this, so what will come? Filtrate will come, and filtrate is that will be the soft water. So dear friend, how can we remove the temporary hardness of water? By the Clark method. In Clark method, what you are doing, you are treating the temporary hard water with the slag lime. Slag lime is calcium hydroxide, and this calcium hydroxide converting into the temporary hard water into the calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide precipitate, which on the filtration it will give the soft water. And second method is there by boiling. When you are boiling the bicarbonate of the magnesium and calcium, it will give the magnesium hydroxide precipitate and calcium carbonate precipitate, which are insoluble, that can be filtered, and after filtered, that is whatever the filtrate we got, that will be the soft water.